guys, Chef Chris Hall here from the Culinary Solutions team at Food Buy.
And hi, I'm J. Michael Melton, Head of Culinary for Impossible Foods. We're here to talk to you about our flagship product, Impossible Beef. We're going to walk through a few items, the history and how it's made, some versatility and how to use it, and some additional partner resources that we offer you as your partner.
Chef, Impossible is definitely the word on the street. Tell me what you guys got going on in this thing.
Well, we set out to make meat made from plants for meat lovers and really creating a no compromises alternative and offering a plant-based solution that delivers, cooks, and reacts exactly like a ground beef product would. And that's what we folded into all the development of all of our products. And this flagship product really does it all from multiple applications, but what I really want to tell you about first is the technical aspects. Muscle tissue, connective tissue, fat. That's the building block of any meat, and it's also the building blocks of Impossible. We made deliberate choices in order to recreate how beef reacts to offer that plant-based solution. So with muscle tissue, it's soy protein. It gives it that texture and chew. The connective tissue would be cellulose. It helps it be malleable in its raw state, but also helps to bind and hold its juices while it's cooking. The fat is sunflower oil and coconut fat. Coconut fat renders at a little bit lower temperature than beef fat, but reacts just the same when you're cooking it. And it also acts as a flavor delivery system as it coats your palate and leaves those latent meaty flavors as you're enjoying these dishes. And furthermore, our secret ingredient is called heme. Heme occurs naturally in all living things, but occurs abundantly in meat. It's rich red in color, but it's also transformative, meaning it changes from red to brown as you cook it, and it reacts exactly like beef, just the same. So those visual cues that you get when you cook it, heme is going to deliver that, but it's also the flavor delivery system. Molecule for molecule, exactly what the same as you would find in beef, but ours just comes from a plant source.
Well, it looks just like ground beef.
This is what we set out to do, and from any application, and we'll go through ground applications, formed applications, soups and sauces, fillings and farces. It can really do anything. The SKU will do it all.
All right, let's see what this thing does.
Let's do it.
Well, Chef, you talked about a couple different ways to use this. Do I cook this just like ground beef?
You absolutely would. It performs exactly the same. Again, ground applications, formed applications, soups and sauces, or fillings and farces. Let's walk through a few examples that we have here today. Tacos for ground beef. This is Korean tacos with a little kimchi slaw, a little avocado, and gochujang crema. We have traditional burger, as traditional as you can get, lettuce, tomato, onion, a little bit of sauce, fries, and some ketchup. Soups and sauces, we got a great chili here with some chipotle lime crema. The options are endless. You really can flex the SKU to do anything. And going back to the burger a little bit, you can actually cook it to temperature. If you like it medium rare, you can cook it to medium rare. Medium well or well done, it will actually show you visually those cues as you cook it. The internal temperature will reflect those colors as you cook it.
Well, Chef, these dishes look amazing. I know the Impossible team has a huge bank of recipes for more ideas like this. If you have any more questions, please reach out to the Food Buy team for more information.
Just like Chef Chris said, if you have any more questions about Impossible, you can reach out to the team at Food Buy or go to impossiblefoods.com for additional support pieces. We offer flags, liners, front of house training, back of house training, you name it, we're here for you.